We take hourly backups of the websites hosted on the platform. Now, one of the reasons we do this is because changes happen on the website all the time. And quite often, a daily or nightly backup is not enough to capture changes that might be happening to content, so new pages going live, changes to the website, or where it's a WooCommerce site, new orders going into the system. So our backup system is powered by Acronis. I'm going to show you in this video where to access the backups and as well how to set up your own offsite backup. So as well as backing up the site hourly, we also give you the ability to back up your own website to your own offsite storage. So whether that be Dropbox, Amazon, Google Drive, and there's several other offsite storage mechanisms we support. So let me just show you here. I'm just logged into a client website. And you'll see, and this is kind of the normal view when you log into the console, and there's a sidebar here that can be toggled. So you see here, it's just toggled off. I'll just click this here to toggle it on, and you'll see here, you'll have this sidebar with a few different things in it. So the backups are under here, Acronis Backup. So that's the software we use. We use Acronis Cyber Cloud Protection, an enterprise-grade backup solution. You'll see here, once you click in there, you'll get the list of hourly backups. So you'll see here, there's backups that are taken every hour, and then you can click into these and you can recover individual files, individual folders, the entire files for the website, the entire database as well. If you are looking to do a recovery and you're kind of stuck or not sure what to do, just drop a line to our support team and we'll be able to do that for you or point you in the right direction. So that's the hourly backup. So that all happens automatically. You'll see there it has the timing of the backup. It's all pretty straightforward. That's a fairly simple to use interface. When you click into these, it'll give you the list of files. Now, in terms of setting up your own backups, now we recommend that you have your own backup system as well. So you own a copy of the website and have an up-to-date copy stored somewhere. Dropbox is, there's a free plan for Dropbox. So for most websites, you'll see this is a small business website. You'll see there under disk usage, it's just under 300 megabytes in size, which is quite small. But still, if you think about it, you can back that up to a 2 gigabyte free Dropbox plan, no problem. So there's really no excuse not to set this up. You can do that under here. You'll see there's another tab, Backup and Restore. This is a different backup system, and you can configure, if you click in here, you'll be able to configure your own storage locations. So you can connect that. If you click here, Remote Storage Settings, you can connect that to Dropbox. You can connect it to Google Drive. If you've got Amazon S3 or FTP, you can do that as well if you're a bit more technical. For most people, Dropbox or Google Drive are going to be kind of the storage systems that you have access to already. Even a free Google Drive plan or Gmail account or Google account will give you plenty to back up this website anyway in this instance. So you set that up, so you link that up there. And I'll just go back here and then you would just schedule it in to run on a nightly basis. So really you just hit the schedule button there and then you can set that up to run whatever interval you like. So you can set that up to run daily, weekly, monthly. If the site has a lot of changes, it might be worth doing daily. If you're not getting a lot of changes to the site, weekly is probably fine. And then just set the schedule there. We limit you to 5 full backups. So it asks you there how often you want to do a full backup. You can set this to a daily and this weekly, and that means every day it'll take an incremental backup, and then once a week it'll take a full backup. An incremental backup is a backup where it only includes the changes to the website. So it has, to do a restore, you'll need access to the full backup plus the incremental. So basically you just set up the schedule there. Now ideally you run this at nighttime. Don't run it during the day because it will slow down the website somewhat. So backing up offsite does need to push files. It does need to do some processing as well. So you're best setting this out of business hours or the business hours for the website. So set up the schedule, hit the activate button. You can set up some logging as well to email you directly if there's an issue. You can exclude certain files and just hit the OK button, and then that backup will be scheduled. You can check the status of the backups here under the backup manager. So if there is an offsite backup happening, they'll appear in this list here. And likewise, to do a restore, you just go into the backup manager, click the backup, select what you want to restore. So that's it. That's pretty straightforward. So just to recap, so that's how you access the hourly backups that we're taking. And that's how you set up your own backup schedule to schedule to your own offsite storage, which we recommend all customers do because it's just best practice to own a copy of your website, a copy of the website files. If you have any questions about the backup, have any questions about the hosting platform in general, just drop us a line over on the website. One of the team will get back to you shortly.